Hello everyone, welcome back to our Ignite Careers YouTube channel. Today we are talking about two important types of proxies, that is forward proxies and reverse proxies. These terms might sound technical, but don't worry, I will explain them in a way that's easy to understand with real world examples. So, what is a forward proxy? Let's start with the forward proxy. This is the type of proxy that most most of people think about when they hear proxy server. So, a forward proxy acts as an intermediary between a client like your computer and the internet. When you use a forward proxy, your internet request goes through the proxy before reaching the destination server. Example, think of a forward proxy like a middleman. For example, if you are in a country with restricted internet access, you might use a proxy to access blocked websites. Your request first goes to the proxy, which then forwards it to the website, hiding your real identity from the site. Key point: the main idea behind a forward proxy is that it's used by the client to access various services on the web, often for purposes like privacy or bypassing restrictions. I hope forward proxy is clear. Let's go to a reverse proxy. A reverse proxy works the opposite way. Instead of sitting in front of the client, it sits in front of the server. A reverse proxy handles client's request on behalf of one or more servers. Example, imagine you have a website with a lot of traffic. A reverse proxy can sit between your users and your web server, distributing incoming requests to multiple backend servers, improving performance and reliability. Key points. So, unlike a forward proxy, which is used by the client, a reverse proxy is set up by the server to handle requests from multiple clients. So, what are all the key differences between forward and reverse proxies? Now, let's quickly summarize the key differences. Forward proxy is used by the client to access servers, whereas reverse proxy is used by the server to manage incoming client requests. Purpose: forward proxies are often used for anonymous, while reverse proxies are used for load balancing, caching, or security. Why use proxies? Forward proxy use cases. Say, forward proxies are useful for bypassing firewalls, geo-blocking, and improving security by hiding the client's IP address. On the other hand, reverse proxy use cases are popular in enterprise environments for load balancing, caching, static content, and adding a layer of security by shielding the backend servers. So, that's a quick overview on forward and reverse proxies. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our Ignite Careers YouTube channel. For more tech content video, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon